Flash flood statement.
Northern Galveston County in southeastern Texas, Harris County in southeastern Texas, Channel 2.
Flash flood statement.
12:43 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Powerful rain and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain.
Holy crap.
Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
You are a disappointment.
Automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include southeastern Pasadena, northeastern Lake City, Lockport, Seabrook, Kemah, Eastern Clear Lake, Nassau Bay, Taylor Lake Village, El Lago, Shore Acres, Clear Lake Shores, Mornings Point, and Johnson Space Center. Turn around.
We didn't fake the moon landing.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Well,
Central Daylight Time this evening. What heat index values have reached 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 42 degrees Celsius, possible where a portion of southeast Texas. When intense
say the portion,
daylight time this evening.
assholes.
Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses.
That was very weird.